Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a sound on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you haven't downloaded it, just go to App Store and download it from there. But if you are using Android, just go to Play Store and download it from there. So here I have already downloaded Likee app. So I'm going to click on this. So to use the sound of this video, you just have to click on the circle icon which is in the bottom right corner. So it's like a playing music. You can see it here. So just click on this and right after that, you can see here join. So click on the join. So now you can just use this music in your video. So thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.